Well, I just want to do a quick little video about chains and how to spot ones that are worn out and will crash your sprockets. So this is a new clutch from Casa Performance. So it's got a brand new sprocket, it's not been run yet. And this here is I believe it's a Reynolds chain. And you can tell roughly from kinking it, it's not too bad. But I can put it on these sprockets. And this is one of the tips for motorcyclists for testing for sprocket wear. If you wrap it around a new sprocket and you grab it so it's on the far side, and you try and pull and lift and see if the links will move away from the teeth. And I don't know, let's see. You see there's next to nothing there, I can't really move that. Now let's just change this chain. This one here is a roll-on from India. I don't think you should ever use chains that are named after a deodorant. But this is just to give you an idea of the difference. So let's get that one wrapped around the sprocket. Now let's try. You see that movement? That means it's already got wear in it. These chains are famous for stretching. I probably wouldn't put it on a toilet, to be fair. Certainly wouldn't use a roll-on in a decent engine of any power. So you might be alright for your Indian 150, but for anything serious, don't entertain it. But that's a nice little tip, useful tip for checking chains and comparing them